welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing well. In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys 5 TikTok hacks to get the perfect winged liner that actually work. Now, काफी बार ना आप सब मेरे wing liner की तारीफ करते हो that my liner looks very nice, but honestly it takes a lot of practice. तभी आपको अच्छा perfect wing liner बनाना आता है. But if you're a beginner or maybe if you're not able to achieve the perfect wing liner, then I feel this video is going to be helpful for you. And today for my eyes, I will be using some of my absolute favorite products from Blue Heaven. I have their sketch liner, their liquid liner, their kajals, colored koals, as well as their mascara, and I absolutely love all these eye products from Blue Heaven. Blue Heaven is one such brand जिसके साथ मैंने अपनी makeup journey start करी थी, and I still use their products till date. So I'm really excited to share all the hacks with you guys. And yes, without any further ado, let's just get started with today's video. Alright guys, so the first wing liner hack is a very simple dot trick. All you have to do is just dot it as in the shape of a wing liner and then simply join the dots. It's very simple. I'm gonna use my current favorite Blue Heaven Intense liner. It's a sketch liner. So I'm just gonna put dots and then join the dots in the end. So नीचे 3 dots and ऊपर 2 dots and simply join the dot and it's gonna become like a really nice wing. Once you achieve this wing, the next step is very easy. Simply just draw the liner close to your lash line and you are done. And there you have a sharp winged liner, just a very simple dot trick that you have to follow and you can achieve this perfect wing liner. The next wing liner hack that is so popular, even I have tried this and it works, okay? So it's basically a bobby pin hack to get the perfect winged liner. So all you have to do is यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा liner लगा के just stamp it and आपको एक अच्छा wing वाला shape मिल जाएगा and then simply correct it. So I'm just gonna use the Blue Heaven's Intense Black Liquid Liner. This is what it looks like. It's a very nice liquid liner under a budget. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this on the bobby pin and I'm just going to stamp it. Once you stamp the bobby pin, just simply do some corrections and basically correct the wing and then simply draw the liner close to your lash line and you are done. Now I have noticed one thing कि ये bobby pin वाला hack try करने से ना काफी अच्छा dramatic सा wing liner मिल जाता है instead of a regular liner. And because I have big eyes, तो मुझको ऐसे dramatic liners अपनी आंखों पे काफी अच्छे लगते हैं. The third wing liner hack is again very famous and I have seen a lot of people doing this. So it's basically the stencil hack. All you have to do is just take any tape or any band-aid, basically something which can stick on your eyes and फिर आपको एक stencil draw करना होता है. Basically triangle में cut करके just have to stick it and there you have your very own stencil for your wing liner. So I have these sticky notes. मैं इसको एक triangle की shape में cut out कर लूंगी. So this is what my stencil looks like. I'm just gonna paste this onto my eye. And once you get a rough wing, just simply do some corrections and then the last step is to obviously draw a line close to your lash line and there you have your winged liner. Now one thing that I really like about this hack is because it's a stencil, so you can use on both the sides and in this way you can actually achieve the exact same wing on both the eyes. You can say that your wing liner is going to look like twin sisters. Now wing liner hack number 4 is again a stamping method using any of your previous cards जो कि expire हो चुके हैं और cards that you no longer use. So this is like a very old membership card that I had. So I'm just going to apply some liner over here and then simply stamp it. उससे again वो flick मिल जाएगी जो मुझे चाहिए for my wing liner. And again I'm going to use my Blue Heaven's liquid liner, Intense Black Liquid Liner for this hack. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of it. Now जितना आपको लंबा wing चाहिए उतना ज़्यादा आप लगा सकते हो, जितना छोटा wing चाहिए उतना कम लगाओ basically card पे अपना liner. And now I'm just going to stamp it. इसके ऊपर ही I'm just gonna stamp one more time so that I can get that triangle. And now I'm gonna fill in the gap using my sketch liner from Blue Heaven. And now just fill in the triangle and simply draw a line close to your lash line. Now most of the times I go for a thick winged liner because my eyes are big, so I like it that way, which is why I'm drawing like a thick line. Also, I'm sure you guys can notice that the Blue Heaven products I'm using are so pigmented, be it their sketch liner or the liquid liner. Both the products are so amazing. Now for the fifth hack, I'm going to use a flat shader brush like this. I've not seen this hack anywhere. It's just that it just came to my mind randomly. So yeah, I'm just going to use a flat shader brush क्योंकि सामने से flat है ना. So काफी easy रहेगा हमको इसको stamp करने में. And I'm just going to apply some product over here. Now for this hack, I'm going to use the Blue Heavens Intense Kajal in the shade Black Shock. So on one side we get a kajal which is again very like jet black, and on the other side we have a sharpener like this. So I'm just going to quickly apply some kajal on the flat shader brush. I have applied the kajal on the flat shader brush and I'm simply going to stamp it like diagonally. Now I have achieved that flick, and with the help of my sketch liner, I'm just going to darken the flick as well as I'm going to draw a wing liner. Now since it was the last hack for this video, which is why I've done the exact same hack to my other eye as well, and now I'm just going to quickly complete my eye look, and I will be applying this green kajal from Blue Heaven on my lower lash line. So it is the 2x Intense Kajal in the shade Green Queen. So isko lagane ke baad I'm just going to simply smudge it a little bit for like a nice smudged kajal look. Can you all see ke kitna sundar green shade hai, plus it's extremely pigmented. And now I'm going to use the Blue Heavens 2x Intense Kajal in Black Shock to tightline my upper waterline to give my lashes a fuller effect. And now I will add some depth to my crease by using a contour shade, and I'm just going to simply apply this with the help of a blending brush. Now to complete my eye look, I'm going to use the Blue Heavens Lash Twist Curling Mascara, and this is what the wand looks like. So I'm just going to simply apply this. Done with the mascara, this is what my lashes look like. I feel the formulation of the mascara is super duper lightweight and feels really comfortable. And now I'm going to use the Blue Heavens brow pencil. So it actually comes with a brow pencil on one side and the spoolie on another side. So I'm just going to simply add some definition to my brows. वैसे तो my brows are naturally very dark, but still I'm just going to fill in a little bit of the gaps that I have over here, and then I'm just going to simply use the spoolie. It's time to complete the makeup look, and for that I'm going to use a very pretty bronzer shade to bronze up my face. For my blush, I'm going to apply this Blue Heavens Shimmer Matte Blush in the shade 502. For the highlighter, I will be using the Blue Heavens blush in the shade 505. I think this is going to be a very pretty highlighter shade for my skin tone. And for my lipstick, I will be using the Blue Heavens Elegance Matte Lip Color in the shade 07. I love this beautiful shade. I just love the formulation of this liquid lipstick. It's very lightweight and it's super pigmented as well. And lastly, to set the makeup in place, I will be using a makeup fixer, and I'm going to spritz this all over my face. And that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys found the video helpful. ये सारे ही hacks काफी ज़्यादा easy and convenient है, so that you can achieve the perfect wing liner without any hassle. And also I just love my wing liner. It's like jet black sketch liner plus the green coal and the mascara. Everything is so good. So if you want to check out these eye products from Blue Heaven, all the links are there in the description box below. Their products are very affordable yet of a very nice quality, so definitely check these out. And if you like the video, then please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. In case you guys would like to connect with me on my social medias, I would be leaving all the links for you in the description box below as always. And yes, I shall see you next time. Till then, you all please stay safe, stay positive, and be kind to yourself and others. Bye bye.